So we're out on Georgian Bay today. We're trying to hook up on some muskie. Just got here, there's 50-kilometer-hour winds. It's about 4 degrees Celsius. And yeah, let's get at them. Let's catch a big muskie. Oh yeah, we got some great weather rolling in now. It's hailing.
Hooked up.
Yep.
Haven't even been here long. What does he have?
Let's see what it is.
Well, a skew or a big pike. Looks like you're struggling with that thing. Big fish, he's staying deep.
I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know what's up. There's a ski, dude.
Ski.
Big.
Okay.
Call it 40-inch.
I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna go from the tail, dude. There you go. Woo! So sick. Golden. Let's go. Morning rain, 55K wind. It's brutal right here, but we're not even an hour in and just boated our first fish. That's friggin' awesome.
Nice rainbow. Got some blue skies over there. We're heading off the lake now. We hooked into one ski. Not too bad of a day. Yeah, we'll see you next time.